I'm back to part 5. Now let's continue to level up that flying. No, we're gonna continue. We don't need to change it. You see, he's gonna die fast. He's gonna level up to level 6, I know, but maybe level 7. Sorry about that noise. Yep. And if you watch his video, if you play the Black Ops, you can go watch my brother Black Ops All the Way 1 on his channel and all his videos. And he's got like 12 or 15 videos. Oh, I guess he went to level 7. That was nice. Let's see. He's gonna do one battle and try to level him up too. He's maybe gonna level up this guy. Let's see. That's stupid. Are you gonna die or not? Stop using bull. That's annoying. Yeah. Oh, you did it again. Oh, whatever. You won't do it again. Let's go back. I know. Let's put up. First, I'm gonna go get that Pokeball. I'm gonna level up. So this back. First attack. Not really. Whatever. He's dead. Yay! Go away. That's where I am. Now let's go level up Chase. He's level 4. We're gonna try to put in more attacks too. For less heal. Nice. We're gonna go buy 2 potions. But we need some. When we're gonna have super potion, we're gonna buy that. We need some. Oh, you don't need all these to go to Pokemon Center. 4 against 4. Is that fair? Yes. That exactly same attack. Tap. Come on. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna try to have. I have like potions. Just tap on my nose. Yay! Fly will save the day. I learned the wheel. That's not good. That's not good. Going back. So the Pokemon Center, maybe going to the go get my friend in the school. Yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna battle him. Okay, after the battle with our friend, we're gonna go to part 6, and I know it's not like long, but it's like the minutes go fast. Stop to our friend. Okay, whatever. This one. That was mine. That's not nice. You stole it from me. Oh yeah, I got some. Well, whatever. At least I have that. Go everywhere. Saya. Go in it. Oh, forgot about that. Okay, whatever. I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it. There's one here. Just always say press A. Because if you say no, oh, you're on. Yeah, come on. See you later. Boop, boop, beep. There's one right here. You can see that, like, easily. And the other one's over there. Like over there. Go like this. Right there. Inside. Yay! Yeah, this trick. Now we can go talk to that guy. Didn't even know why he asked us. Hey, old man, you got it. Okay, guys, I guess I was wrong. The minute passed. I see you at next video.